Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have two guests.
Hi.
Savannah.
Hi guys. What? Welcome back to our channel.
So we're going to be making ice cream. I'll show you guys the ingredients first and like what we're using to make it. Getting close.
Okay. Yes.
Oh my god.
Got it.
That was close.
Guys. I was scared.
Me too. Okay, let's. No, not with your hands. Here, pour it in here and I'll tell you when to stop, okay? Pour it slowly. Good.
Okay. Another one right under it.
Okay.
Kayla. So yeah, this is what we do.
Let's just do this.
You have to, this is why you need, somebody.
It's fine, it's fine.
This is why you need somebody to help you doing all this. Because if you don't, this is what's gonna happen to you. Addison. Hi guys. So we're gonna make a cake, a unicorn. No, we're making ice cream. We're gonna make a unicorn cake. No, ice cream.
Pants?
Oh yeah, her pants have unicorns on it, and unicorns are real. Parentheses, awesome. Like you guys.
Put this in the sink. Got it. I'm just putting ice in.
Some
salt to make the ice cold.
Yeah.
It's kosher salt, I think.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put a lot.
And then mix it up.
It stops the ice from melting so fast.
So we're going old school.
Now we're gonna put it into this bag
So it's like a little cooler.
and basically shake it around and the ice should make it cold into ice cream. Ice cream for me.
Shake that.
Ice cream for me. Way more solid
Yeah, and like
than the
it's
other
like-
thing made it.
And it's like harder.
Yeah.
Because it was like liquid and now it's like turning into like a solid.
Yeah, it's like slushy.
Say hi. Hey everybody, welcome back because we're just making the other one right now. Okay. So one thing that you do make sure you don't have a hole in your bag. Unicorn horn!
I made some regular unicorn horns for, you know, our parents.
Show what I have. Show what I have.
Yeah, our parents and some eyes and horns. I'm gonna take. You're joking me. I'm gonna take Addison to the bathroom with me to wash her hands and wash up.
Ah!
What do you think? Do you think she's tall?
Yeah.
With your hand. Love you guys. Ice cream together.
This is how it turned
This is how it turned out. It looks
Real
pretty
cute.
cute. I think I'd use black instead of blue for the dye.
And it's melting really fast.
Yeah. So I think either put it in there or in.
It actually is really good.
The ice cream is really good. It came out great. And now everything's edible.
And give a thumbs up to our ice cream. Even though it turns out bad. Hopefully it's not. We made it by ourselves. In the kitchen. In our beautiful, but it's a disaster kitchen right now. And we love you guys. We made a video for you guys. And we made ice cream for you guys. And do a thumbs up to our video. And give Kayla lots of views. And give us a thumbs up for our channel. Kayla lots of views. No, I don't want to say that.